and another snowstorm. Ooh, that's really high. See, so high. Careful when you walk here. Drive, it's a little wheel drive. Thank God I have all-wheel drive, but I'm not driving today. I just want to walk a little bit inside downtown, and I'm missing gloves. So what I will be doing is rotating my hands in my pocket. Oh God, yeah, I'm gonna take one this way. And I need really to be careful. Oh boy. Yeah, and it can get worse. I mean, it's just been snowing since last night. It's only going to snow today during the day, but later it's going to stop snowing, so they will clean the roads. Sometimes it snows 2-3 days non-stop, and it's miserable then. But as of now, I guess the snow will stop in a couple of hours, so they will be able to clean everything. Then I can take a nice drive somewhere. Oh, this is crazy. See? Wow. Yep, the snow is like coming my face, my way. Yeah, still rotating my hands. And absolutely first thing I'll do, I'll buy gloves. I forget to buy gloves. See, the snow here is really high. I'm gonna try to stand here. It's gonna go to my knee. Wow. Oh no. Very high. That reminds me of Colorado. Right, be careful here. Falling in the snow, it's not fun, it hurts. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna walk by the river. Yeah, it's nice. Blowing ice on the other side. Or blowing snow, sorry. Wow. That's nice. It's so cold. God, I need the gloves badly. Alright, now my right hand in the pocket, and keep moving your fingers, so keep the blood circulation. Ooh. Otherwise get burned. It hurt. Yeah, I guess. No stores are open now, otherwise I'll go right now and buy gloves, but wow. Look at this. Take a photo. Screenshot, alright. Time gloves, absolutely. Oop, almost slipped. Yeah, it's enough. I'll go back from the other side. Gotta be careful here. Don't cross in front of cars expecting them to stop for you. They cannot stop quick. So make sure roads are absolutely empty before you cross. Incoming traffic cannot stop mostly. Yeah, it's warmer. Not warmer. Less windy here. So, hey. Oh boy, that's some deep shit here. Alright. Okay, I gotta go back to my place. It's cold. Alright, I'm back. And here's my parking lot. Oh my god, look at this. Snow mountains there. Here's my car. Almost covered by snow. It's all-wheel drive, so it should be okay to drive later. But now they are cleaning, as you see. So I'm good. I came earlier, I opened the door, I grabbed something from the car. And this car is so much fun in the snow. All-wheel drive, twin turbo, a lot of torque. It's gonna be so lovely. But I'm not gonna try to attempt now because this is really gonna be tough to get off the parking lot. Yep. Alrighty. Bye for now.